The time has come. Only a couple things left soaking in here, and they're going to be easy to do. I mean, yeah, that looks bad. It just wipes off. So the last couple of things in here, let's give them a quick cleanup, and then this bucket will be ready for her to go back to its owner. A bucket full of tools that have been just neglected for a long time. And just needed somebody to actually give a shit. Luckily, this young lady does give a shit. So I get to clean up all of her tools for her. A little inside, a little outside. Hole cutter. Goes in the bucket. Wrench. Not a difficult prospect. Gotta get this black off of it, and it'll be fine. Smooth. This doesn't need to be sanded. 11/16. Not something that gets a lot of use, but or not a size that commonly gets a lot of use. But it should still be taken care of. It's old. Got a bend in it, but that's fine. Chrome vanadium steel, no company name. I think that counts just about empty. All right. Another quick wipe, and that's 2 down. One more in the bucket. There's only 2 things left in here. Oh, 3 things. A clamp that's not bent like the other one was. That was in the bucket. I'll clean it anyway. And this little beast, this driver head. Let's wipe it first, see what it needs. Clean on the inside. A little bit of surface rust on there. I want to clean that off. Clean it. Yeah. Doesn't need much at all. It's even still clean on the inside. Okay. This one says on it, Walter 18A 006. Okay, that's one more. And this clamp. Yeah. Let's open this all the way and clean these threads out with the brush. That's to stop it from seizing up or getting jammed. Look at that. Rust just comes straight off of it. Last that paint comes off, looks nice and gunmetal. Did it without stabbing my fingers that time. That's pretty good. Oh. I think that brown is not rust. I think it's a feature of the metal. The ammonia hits it, it just solidifies right up. Hardens like a covering of some kind. Scrape it off. And it's a smooth surface. Nice. That's a neat trick. That brown probably keeps the rust off if that's the case. Almost like paint, but not. Alright. Put in these threads. We go. I think I may be finishing this can of WD-40. It's just about dead. Okay. One more in the bucket. That leaves this little beast. Yeah. It works. Whip quick. Keep the rust off of it. And there we go. That is the completed bucket of stuff for the nice lady. And there you have it. All those tools, sockets, wrenches, screwdrivers, files, set squares, tire irons, everything. All cleaned, rust taken off of it, seize taken out of it, everything tightened. It's all ready to go back to her. So tomorrow, I'll start back on my stuff. There ain't much of it, but there's a few things in there that need to be cleaned. Alright. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of this type of stuff, and we'll talk to you next time.